Hey builders, are you cooking up something cool? Well, we got something big for you. Zircuit is the AI-powered blockchain built for secure, automated finance. Every transaction is protected by AI, so it's one of the safest places to build and ship on. It's fast, scalable, and designed for internet-scale apps, perfect for developers who want to go big. And now's your chance to win while you build. We're putting up over $5,000 across 3 bounties, and they're open to anyone who deploys on Zircuit. First up, best project on Zircuit. $2,500 goes to the top project with great code, solid design, and a real use case. If it's deployed and verified on Zircuit, you're eligible. Next is the best use of AI. We want to see how you can bring AI into Web3. Whether it's DeFi, agents, tools, or something totally new. If it's creative and solves a real problem, you've got a shot at winning $1,250. And third is the best use of EIP 7702. Zircuit is an early adopter, and we're excited to see how you can use it. Think new contracts, interfaces to use new transaction types, or anything that shows off the power of account abstraction. To qualify, just deploy on Zircuit mainnet or Garfield testnet, verify your contracts, and share your GitHub repo with a solid README. A short demo video helps too. We got all the links to the docs, including a Zircuit quickstart, RPCs, and faucet info. It's super easy to get started. So yeah, start building, ship something great, and show us what you got. We can't wait to see what you create on Zircuit.